Hey, hello everyone, welcome once again. We are meeting after such a long time, so I hope you all of are fine. I was already told you I am busy in my preparation, so that's why I can't upload the video regularly. So mains is over right now. So my next target is UPPCS prelims. So the exam will be held on 12th of October. So almost only 30 days are remaining if we count from today. Today is 12th of September. So please maintain consistency during these 30 last days. So if we focus on prelims oriented preparation, please shift on prelims mode. I know there are so many students who are simultaneously doing the UPSC preparation of their mains as well as for pre. So please shift focus wholeheartedly on the prelims 2025 of UPPCS, because you can find the questions which are on the similar lines on UPSC prelims. So please, in this paper of UPSC prelims, we will find lots of many questions which are like factual in nature. So first first thing, please don't think about the another option in your life. Please try to give your wholeheartedly attempts this prelims. So if we count the subjects, as we already know about the UPSC prelims paper pattern, so these are on the similar lines subjects. So subjects are not at all different from UPSC. So history, geography, polity, economics, IR, and art and culture, and environment, science, tech, these all are the subjects. And if we focus on specifically UPPCS prelims, so there is a different thing in this examination. The science portion is carry very high weightage. Approximately you will get 20 questions in the science section. So please try to mug up the NCRTs, because from class 10 to 12 you don't need to read. You simply go for the 6 to 12th class of NCRT. If you have no time, you have not even read before, so you can easily go for the Lucent publication. In that you will find so many mug up things, or we can say factual things, so you can easily mug up from there. So I will conclude that please don't give too many mock tests. Try to focus on the revision if possible from your side. And if we go for the CSAT examination, in this there is little bit easier from the UPSC prelims CSAT examination. In this you will find the subjects like comprehension, Hindi, English, as well as reasoning and maths also. So you will have to score only 20, I think 33%. It will be 67 marks. I don't know exact, because yeah, I have no idea, but 33 marks, because in UPSC there will be 80 questions, but in case of PCS there will be 100 question, I think. So you have to carry 67 marks. 67 marks in out of 200, so you can easily get in this examination. So please focus on the current affairs also. You will get the 30 to 35 question in current affairs portions. So please try to mug up the things, because this paper will be like more from the factual sides. But in case of UPSC we find conceptual questions So try to mug up the things and revise multiple times. This is the key, I think, in case of UPPCS examination. So hope you will do your best, and please, for the self evaluation, try to attempt the PYQs. Don't go for the multiple mocks of the other institutions like VEET, Drashti IAS or any Nirman IAS. So many coachings industries. So please focus on your target. Please don't distract yourself in these last 30 days. My suggestion is to bring your notes in a lucid format, so that will precise notes will help in you to recalling the things. If you want to mug up the things in a last minute, so what you can do, you can easily try to jot down the syllabus in a one pager note of VEET, history, polity, geography or anything. So please jot down the whole syllabus in a page, so that will help in revising in the last minute revision. So that is the agenda I think you can follow. So let's we meet after some time. I will upload the upcoming blogs, or we can say video, for the UPPCS prelims upcoming examination. And one thing, if possible from your side, you can buy the book of PYQs from the Drashti IAS, because they have explicitly mentioned the reason behind the every solution. They will provide you the proper explanation that will help in further questions. So if possible from your side, you can go for that also. So bye everyone, I'm with you. You can ask anything if you want to ask for the PCS examination, and I will try to give my whole potential in resolving the queries. So hey, bye everyone, let's we meet in the another video. So there is a lot of burden on every aspirant to cover the syllabus in these last 30 days. So please be thorough with the whole syllabus, otherwise you will be behind the race. So try to give your this attempt in a very best format. So whenever you will revise the things, try to close your eyes and recall the whole syllabus one time. I think you have read multiple times your notes, even Lakshmikant, VEET, any book for the reference material. If possible from your side, try to jot down the pointers in a A4 size paper. That will definitely going to help in the last minute revision. So hi, bye everyone. We confident, we are with you. Try to give your best. बाकी भगवान की मर्जी है, हम अपना पूरा 100% दें, ठीक है. और ट्राई टू करो कि सॉल्व करो पेपर फॉर गेटिंग द रफली आइडिया वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग राइट नाउ, एंड ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव दैट अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे, टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. ठीक है, बाय, मिलते हैं फिर, ठीक है.